Hello, crafty friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, stopping by real fast to share my Valentine's gift. Normally, I buy my gifts and then, later, I tell my husband, hey, you got me this. This year, I asked him if I could order the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard Box of the Month and the Stamp of the Month as my gift from him, and he said sure. So he actually knew about it this time, but it just came yesterday. So I haven't opened it. I have seen some unboxing videos, so I do know what's in it, but I thought for those of you that have never seen a Pink and Main kit, this would be a fun thing to share. So, open it up. How fun is that? Happy Mail from Pink and Main. And here is the stamp of the month, and this is for February 2022. How cute are those little birdies? I can't wait to ink that up. Hey Chickie, spring greetings, showering you with love, and glad we're in this together. They do have a stamp and die of the month. I just chose not to get the die since I can use my scan and cut. I see that Alyssa is joining us this morning. And then I know this month they gave some free gifts if you signed up because they had to redo their websites. So they lost a lot of their, or they didn't lose information, but they needed people to re-sign up for their kits of the month. So a cute little flower stencil there for free for signing up for that. So that was the stamp of the month. Like I said, they also have a stamp and die of the month. This is the free little gift you got for signing up this month for the Crafty Courtyard kit. Java nice day, have you been? And some really pretty coffee cups there, or teacups. And then I have to say, I was so impressed when I looked that they said that it came in this bag. It's really heavy, good quality, so I feel like no matter how many times I open it and close it, it's going to be good. So that's that. And then in the bottom of it is the cardstock that comes with it. I'm going to move this out of the way. It is basil, so it's textured, but I love that. Adds some interest to your cards. So there's some pretty colors there, and then there's some white. So those are pretty. And then inside is lots of fun goodies. I really like that it comes in this bag. That'll be really nice to keep. All right, so there's a card that comes with it. And I love this. On the back of it, it tells you everything that's in the kit, the color palette, where to go, like what hashtags to use to share. That's really, really handy. And then this, I'm assuming, must coordinate. Looks like some pretty fun, like sprinkles there. Oh, they're really pretty colors. And matching dots. And you'll have to, I'm sorry if I seem a little distracted. My cat is playing with the box, of course. Dragonfly Dreams paper. It's 6 by 6 and there's 24 sheets and it is double-sided. So that will be fun. Some envelope seals to match. A stencil. Let me see if I can use this. You can see there, dragonflies. I don't have very many dragonflies in my stash. I have a lot of butterflies from when I ran the Flutter by Wednesday challenge, but this is nice. I'm excited. Oh, and look at that. I love that. That dragonfly with those flowers and lots of sentiments. Just because, spread your wings and fly in the direction of your wildest dreams. You were meant to soar. For you on your special day, congratulations. Thoughts of you fill my days with joy. Live each day to the fullest. Wishing you well. Hello, I believe in you. Happy birthday. I miss your smile, and I'm sorry for your loss. Those are awesome, and like so many different occasions that you can use it for. And then there are the dies that go with it. And then there's an embossing folder. How neat is that? And that will look so pretty. So that is the February 2022 Crafty Courtyard kit of the month from Pink and Maine. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Like I said, I know this month there was some extra goodies if you signed up. And then also the stamp of the month from Pink and Maine. Again, everything's linked below. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to see if I can do this. I know that it's not going to be very technical, but you have to see. Alyssa is enjoying the box as well. So I guess it's a dual purpose box. Crafty goodies for me and new plaything for her. All right. Have an amazing, amazing day.